Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be about a Forever 21 haul. Ooh. So I went shopping at Forever 21 online and I got about 4 bags that I wanted to show you guys. I actually caught a sale and the sale was really good. So let's just get right into it. Okay. So I ordered online and came in this big old box. And I'm just gonna pull from the box. Okay, so the first item that I got. Here we go. This is just like a regular like mustard handbag or crossbody, whichever one you want to call it. So this is the packaging. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. All right, so this is what it looks like. That's the front. Here's the back, and that's the handle. And one thing I didn't notice online is that it's like a double purse, which is like really cool. If you guys look at that, see how it has like these 2 zippers? Look at that, that is so cool. I didn't notice that online. Okay, so here's the inside. Nice. I know that this is kind of like a double purse. Like, I'm just so blown away by that. It's super cute. And I love the handle. I like how it starts off as just like the leather and then it goes into the gold chain. You see that? And then here it has the leather. 40 bucks and it was free shipping. I got each purse for 10 bucks. Like I said, I caught a sale. But I really like this. You know, I don't know. It's kind of even look cute with this red. Look at that. Okay, I saw this in the store and I wanted to buy it. And I was like, I need to get that. But I'm happy I didn't buy it when I was going to because I caught a sale. So this is what it looks like. So cute, right? It's not your typical like rectangle square handbag. It's pretty round, and so this is just bam, open it up. That's the inside. Of course, that's what the handles are. It is a crossbody. Let me see what this is. Yes, handbag crossbody. And this is what the inside looks like. Breaker or anything. And so you can adjust it, I see here, if you want to. You know, if you want a little bit longer, shorter. But this is really cute. Look at that, you guys. I love it. Next item is your typical black bag. I can just never get enough of black. And it goes with everything, I mean. So this is another kind of like crossbody handbag. So this is what it looks like. This is the front and here's the back. Not too big. I think this is like, this might be the perfect size if you're going out to like the club. You know, you don't want something too big, something that you could just kind of throw over your shoulder. So this is another one of them bags that starts off, it's leather at the top and then it goes into a chain at the bottom. See, 2. I thought that was really cute. That's another thing I didn't notice online either. I just know I needed another black bag. So this one does have a pocket on the inside. Yeah, just one little pocket there. See, and this is what the inside looks like. Pretty spacious for a small purse. You know, you just need your essentials if you're going out. Your lip gloss. In the mirror, but this is really cute. And last, I got this silver bag, which honestly is pretty much the same bag that I just showed y'all, but it's the silver version. Ta-da! It's literally the exact same bag, just silver. I don't have not one silver purse. I don't really wear silver like that, but I decided to go ahead and get it because if I do start wearing silver, which I will now that I have this cute bag, I could, you know, style it with it. So it's, you know, leather at the top and then the gold. Starts off with the leather at the top and then goes into chains, silver chains. The exact same thing, pocket on the inside, enough space for you to go out. But see, this is really cute. I like this. All right, guys, so that was my Forever 21 purse edition. All right, guys, so that was my Forever 21 haul, purse edition. If you guys like the purses, I will leave a link in my description box so that you guys can purchase it yourself if they're still available. I think majority of them are, but I'll try. Okay, that's all I can do is try. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment. Let me know, you know, what you guys are thinking about the 4 purses that I bought. And I will see you guys in the next video.